Thank you for buying an Intex EasySet above-ground pool. Setting up your above-ground pool is simple. Follow the instructions in the video and manual for correct and safe setup. You will also need an air pump as seen in the video. The pool shown is the 5.49 meter by 1.22 meter EasySet pool. Your pool may differ in the number of parts depending on size. Check all parts against the list in the manual. Do not assemble the pool if parts are missing. For replacement parts, visit our website at www.intexcorp.com. It is important to follow these guidelines when determining where to place your pool. Set up on a completely level surface. Do not set up on mud, sand, or loose soil. Failure to set up on level, compact ground could result in the pool's collapse, and a person in the pool could be swept out as the water rushes out. First, make sure your pool will be within reach of a garden hose and an RCD or GFCI electrical outlet. It is important to make this determination ahead of time, since the pool cannot be moved once it is filled with water. Locate your pool at least 3.5 meters away from any electrical outlets. You must be able to plug the pump into an electrical outlet without using an extension cable. Envision the traffic patterns around the pool. Locate it on the ground where the hose connections and electric line will not be trip hazards. Check local requirements. Some communities require fencing or wall enclosures. Before unrolling the pool, clear the area of any objects that might puncture the liner and avoid dragging it in place. Use the ground cloth under the pool to protect it. Make sure the pool is right side up. Look for the pool connection holes and rotate the pool so they will face the filter pump. Inflate the top ring with an air pump, such as the one shown in the video, until it feels firm but not hard to the touch. Leave some room for the ring to expand as the day becomes warmer. Securely fasten the inflation valve. Make sure the drain plug is firmly closed and the cap is screwed tightly on the outside. Before filling your pool with water, recheck that the filter pump holes are facing the filter pump location. Put a small amount of water in the pool to cover the bottom. This will let you check if the pool is level. If it is not level, you must change the location or grade the area under the pool. Smooth out the wrinkles in the pool by carefully pushing out the sides as shown. There are two water connection holes. The inlet hole is at the upper left as you face the pool. The hole on the right is the outlet hole, which returns water to the pump. Begin with the inlet valve. Unscrew the plunger valve and the aeration adapter and set them aside for the moment. Unscrew the large nut, leaving the flat washer on the valve connector. From inside the pool, insert the connector through the inlet hole, leaving the flat washer between the connector and the pool wall. From outside the pool, screw the large nut back on the threaded connector and tighten it as much as possible using fingers only. Do not use tools. Finger tighten the aeration adapter back onto the threaded adapter. With the step washer in place on the plunger valve, screw it back on the threaded connector. Close the plunger valve by turning the handle clockwise until it stops. The hole on the right is for the valve to return water to the filter pump. Unscrew the large nut from the remaining strainer and, leaving the flat washer on the connector, insert the connector through the outlet hole in the liner. The flat washer will be between the connector and the inside of the pool wall. From outside the pool, screw the large nut back onto the threaded connector, making sure it is finger tight. Do not use tools. Screw the plunger valve back onto the connector. Close the plunger valve by turning the handle clockwise. Next, connect the open ends of the hoses to your pump. See Pump Manual for completing the installation of your pump. Hydroaeration technology provides some excellent benefits for your Intex pool. Enhanced water circulation pushes sediments through the filtration system, while air is mixed with water to promote the oxidation of manganese and iron elements. Your pool water sparkles with clarity. When the pool is properly filled, the pool bottom will be wider than the inflated ring and will be equally wide at all points around the pool. It is very important not to fill the pool above the inflated ring. Overfilling the pool can cause it to collapse, which may result in property damage or personal injury. If the pool has been filled beyond the inflated ring, open the drain to reduce the amount of water in the pool. Then recheck that the pool is level. There should be no object within 1.2 meters of the pool that a child could climb on to enter the pool. Post the pool safety warning sign included with your pool where it will be seen by all pool users. Larger pools may come with a pool cover, which should be only used when the pool is not in use. However, these are not safety covers and will not keep children out of the pool. Children must not play on or under a cover. 2 people may be needed to pull the cover over your pool. Never install or remove the cover while you're in the pool. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Easy Set above ground pool. Please continue to the filter pump menu on this DVD, where you will select the filter pump appropriate for your pool.